Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have permission and access to the account on the device. Once confirmed, identify the platform, Oculus/Meta Quest, Steam VR, or SideQuest, because menus differ. Make sure to back up saves and link any account so you can restore progress. Then open the Device Settings app and sign in with the owner credentials. This is the quickest way to reach parental controls. Once inside, locate the Privacy or Family section so you can begin changing restrictions immediately. You now modify the actual controls. Go to Settings, then Accounts or Family, and pick the profile that's restricted. Once selected, turn off age gates and content filters that block Gorilla Tag, and change app-specific permissions to allow VR motion and multiplayer access. For Quest, also check app permissions to grant headset and microphone use. For Steam, exit or reconfigure Family View and mark the game as allowed. Make sure to save changes, then restart the platform to apply those permission settings fully. You finish by restarting the headset or PC and relaunching Gorilla Tag to confirm the change took effect. If the game still won't launch, double-check that you signed in with the correct owner account and that any parental PIN or password was removed or updated. Enter it correctly if prompted. If updates or firmware resets re-enable restrictions, make sure to reapply permissions or restore your backed up settings. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, and then re-verify the family settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.